Hello everyone, welcome to Druv Online Academy. In this 30-day revision series, today we can see the topic, the role of ICT in governance. Digital India was launched in the year 2015 with a vision to make India a digitally empowered society. And ever since, ICT has been playing a central role in almost all of the sectors. Be it health or education or finance or infrastructure, ICT plays a vital role. E-governance is applying ICT for all services of government. So this e-governance has primarily four areas of service: government to government, government to citizens, government to business, and government to employees. The prime objective of G2G is to simplify governance for government. The main goal of G2C is to provide all services to citizens in an efficient way. And it also aims to make a two-way communication possible between citizen and government. In G2B, the primary function is to regulate and streamline the businesses so that there is increased transparency and increased productivity. This helps in more efficient performance of businesses. G2E helps in maintaining online records related to pension, payroll, benefits and other features related to compensation. This enhances the ease at which records can be maintained and accessed. Now we can look at the digital initiatives. There is this national mission on education through ICT. So this takes care of all the learning needs of teachers and students, and it also promotes lifelong learning. Swayam is one such initiative, and there are a lot of other initiatives in education. From this unit, you can expect questions from Digital India initiatives in higher education. I have done a separate video covering that topic. We'll give the link in description. You can check that out. And in health, we have eHospital, which is an online hospital management system, and we have Bharat Interface for Money, which is an Indian mobile payment app which promotes cashless transactions. And in agriculture, we have Kisan Suvidha, which is developed to help farmers. Similarly, there are many digital initiatives in other sectors as well. Now we'll revise some previous year questions. First question, NMEICT stands for, this full form is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. So B is the right option. Second question, which of the following mobile payment application is developed by the National Payments Corporation of India based on UPI? Bharat Interface for Money is the right answer. So again, option B is the right one. Third question, this is matching list 1 with list 2. Okay, list 1 has digital initiative and list 2 has the purpose of that digital initiative. Option A, Umang. Okay, this is a single platform which gives access to all government services. So A matches with 4. Okay. B, Bharat Interface for Money, that is a unified payment service. So B3. C, e-business is G2B services. It comes from government to business services. So C1, and D, Swayam is a learning platform. Now we'll look at the options here. A4, B3, C1, D2. Option C is the right answer. Fourth question, which among the following is a massive open online course platform created by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India? Swayam is the right option, so option B is the right one. Fifth question, identify the encompassing term that involves the use of electronic platforms to conduct companies' business. We are making use of electronic platform to conduct business. So e-business is the right term and A is the right option. That's about ICT unit, and tomorrow we can start revising people and environment. Hope this helps you. Please do subscribe to Druv Online Academy and watch the other videos in this 30-day revision series. Thank you.